I got a little more water I need to pump off the top of the pool. Quite a bit more, but I should have 5 to 10 minutes worth. I figured we'd do kind of a revisit or round 2 of running various things off the sprinkler, off the pool cover pump. First thing we're going to start with is my old backyard hose nozzle. This is made in China, and it's been around. It got like really crusty this year. It's crumbling off and paint's chipping off of it everywhere, but it still works. Could definitely use some silicone, but I figure we'll give this a shot, see what it'll do, because I never even thought to try that really, because you don't really want to spray filthy water. I guess maybe leaving it on the ground wasn't the best idea, but I don't think it really matters. It's on its way out. That's rust hitting the tripod. Should probably like wire brush this. Anyways, I'll finish chipping off some of this paint. There we go. Now it's all rust, so good thing I got my tetanus shot. We're good. We'll squeeze that. I'll open it because I don't want to run the pump against pressure. I'm going to attach this to the hose. I have no idea what's going to happen. I have never, ever done this. There's that. I'm going to try and have it point. That's going to hit the camera. There's no way. We'll just point it out this way. That's going to hit the camera. That's not going to work. That's going to hit the camera. So we'll try back over here. I don't know anymore. No, that's going to hit the camera too. Okay, well, if it blows up, it blows up. Let's get some power and we'll see. Oh, it's working. It's not great. Let me see what you could see. Try to. Yeah, you can kind of see that. Surprisingly, it's pretty weak. I would have thought we would have had a lot more chooch. I don't know if you can see that. I can't see where the camera's pointing. But admittedly, it's kind of weak. I'm actually rather surprised. Let's actually just, just for 5 seconds. Huh, you don't get that burst of pressure when you press the handle. Interesting. All right, I'm going to leave that open. Put it down, maybe. That'll work, and we'll switch. Chinkery dinkery dock. This thing is fucking cocked. Yeah, I don't remember when I got this. The rubber is gooey. That's great. This actually had fallen from where I normally keep it. The valve kind of works. Sun just cooked it. Just cooked. Completely. Look at this rubber goo. Oh yeah, this is great. Yeah, this is about shot, so don't buy one of these. Let's give this a shot. So we'll put that on the end of the hose. And put it over there. That'll be fine, and power up. This seems decent. Still kind of sprays all right, which is interesting. Wash some of the rust into my skin, maybe? I don't know. Does it shut? It does, kind of. I don't know if it leaks, but it shuts. And when I do that, I get more rubber gook. That's great. but that kind of works. So that's nice. It's sort of kinking the hose here, like off. This is why I stopped using this hose, because it kind of sucked, but it actually works. And now I got two other sprinklers. Here's a sprinkler, ring sprinkler. It's got holes around it. Don't remember where it came from. No idea. Just a cheap plastic one. Okay, let's power it up. These typically don't spray very high. You gotta say, that's still decent. I'm really surprised. That is actually working reasonably well. That is working reasonably well. I'm quite pleased with that. It's hitting almost the top of the fence as far as height goes. That seems to work well. And I got one more. I got this guy, one of them little Whirlybird kind of type deals. This made an appearance in another video somewhere. I'll put a link in the description. But let's get this one powered up. Much cooler pattern, but it's really not spinning that fast at all. Water is going even higher. I don't know how much you can see. It seems to be doing the trick. That's going to be, oh, maybe about a 10-foot radius, I'll guess. It's hitting, I don't know if you can see, almost up to the tripod. A couple errant little drops getting over here, but that's going slow. That's going really slow. So I don't know, it works weird with different sprinklers. It seemed to have a lot more pressure, but it kind of doesn't. Anyway, I'm choking it now. It gets the job done. Let me power it down. That's it. It just stops. So, I guess that original one that's on the table now, instead of on the ground, that we did in part one, kind of worked the best. That seemed to just be the best out of them. So maybe I did this 15 years ago and I don't remember, like trying different sprinklers and finding what would work, but this guy over here didn't go as fast as I thought it would. This spun really fast when I tested it with the China pocket hose. So I guess there's just not a lot of pressure that's coming out of this thing. It's okay, gets the job done, and I'm running the hose with nothing at the end of it. You could imagine that choking it down with a sprinkler like that, when I originally was draining the pool with this thing, it took a long time. It took a really long time to do that. Anyway, I'm watering the lawn too much because it needs to be mowed. We're going to hopefully get that done later in the week because it's starting to get really lanky in places. And not looking forward to that. But it's that time of year. So that's going to do it. 4 more hose end nozzles, or whatever you want to call this. Round 2. And a fly on the camera. Round 2 of putting shit at the end of the pool cover pump hose. I don't know what it's called. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.